Then the
Guys,
gargoyle's
pumaldo
massive
ako
hand looms
kanina.
above her, and she quickly moves away, and the hand slams down.
Huwag nyo muna
crushing the ground where she
titignan
was
to,
standing
million
moments
pa lang
ago.
tong pera
After
ko.
that, Lena prepares to strike
Bago
again,
lang ako
but
dito.
none of
Ito
her
yung
blows
garden
leave a
ko.
mark on the
Magulo
gargoyle.
siya.
Seeing this, she thinks about
Kaya na
how
sobrang
gargoyles
gulo ng
exist
garden
only to
ko,
attack
as
humans, and
in.
imagines what could happen
Super
if this
gulo
one
niya
reaches the
talaga.
The gargoyle takes
Ayun,
advantage of her
yun
distraction
guys.
and lands a
Ito,
solid hit,
ito.
which sends
Aakyatin
Lena
ko.
crashing to the ground.
Ano yan?
Daisy calls out her name as he
Tawag
watches her
dun?
fall down. Seeing this,
Basta!
he realizes that she can't go on any longer.
Dragon
and
fruit.
thinks that maybe this
Yun.
strange power was given to
Kanina
him
may
for
nagbigay
situations
sa akin
just like
dito
this.
eh.
Just then, Lena tries to get out
Yung
and says that she
moon
can't
melon
afford
na
food. The gargoyle charges again,
moon melon
but
na
Lena
malaki
suddenly
siya.
feels
Sobra
something is
be.
off and realizes that
Tignan
her
mo.
body is not moving, and she is unable to
Ganyan
dodge the
kalalaki yung
But
binibigay
before
niya.
the gargoyle strikes, something
Nagpaslo pa
slams
rin.
into its
Sabi
face
ko,
and
pengi
throws
ng
it off
kakao,
balance,
binigyan niya ako
saving
moon
Lena at the
melon.
last moment. Lena opens her eyes in shock and sees that Daisuke is standing there holding his air gun like a budget John
Cute, but
Wick.
you're not
He walks towards her
grateful.
and says it is surprising to see the strange
Kung minatawag,
monster
wait lang
in
guys, popost ko muna to.